Dear students, let's continue with further part of outbreak of revolution. Before starting the topic, I just summarized you what I just taught you in last video. Right? So dear students, a state general's meeting was called, and what was the plan of the ruler to imposing new taxes? As on the issue of taxes, there was discussion just be happened. Before this, the members and representatives of the third estate just demanded the equal voting rights, which was rejected by the rulers. And after resultly what happened, these people just went to tennis court and just formed the National Assembly, and few of the members will be given the responsibility of drafting of constitution. Now let's continue from that point. When in one side and one group of peoples just preparing the constitution for whole France at Basel, the in another regions, or the peoples from the common groups, or you can say the common peoples like farmer workers who cannot understand the politics and whatever just going on going on by the liberalist or nationalist liberalist, right? So another side, the peoples, the common peoples, the farmers, the peasants were in very great danger, right? So dear students, while the National Assembly was busy in Versailles for drafting constitution in France, but France was in turmoil, right? Meaning to say that जहाँ एक तरफ नेशनलिस्ट के द्वारा, थर्ड स्टेट के मेंबर्स के द्वारा नेशनल असेंबली ड्राफ्ट कर रही थी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने की काम कर रही थी, तो दूसरे तरफ देखा जाए तो पूरे फ्रांस में अनरेस्ट का कंडीशंस, उथल पुथल की सिचुएशंस बनी हुई थी. फार्मर्स, पीजेंट्स और कॉमन आर्टिसंस ये सारे सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस को झेल रहे थे. एज आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू द मीनिंग ऑफ द सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस, the situation when the peoples are not able to fulfill their basic requirement by their income, right? So due to the situation, what happened at the same time, there is important incident happened. The nature was not with the people of the France, the nature was not with the farmers and peasants. There was severe cold, right? And due to the severe cold or harsh winter, there is poor harvest. There is poor harvest, and due to the bad cropping or due to the poor harvesting, what happened? The whole country was suffering in food crisis, right? So as we know that every other benefits or requirements can be minimized, but food is most essential requirement. And when there was not productivity of the grains, resultly the peoples were going to be dead by hunger. Peoples are just suffering the problems of hunger. That's why you can say the whole France was in subsistence crisis, right? When the peoples were in the subsistence crisis, they are just creating the society unrest. What will be happen, what mishappening be happen in France is not known for anyone. That's why the rulers just became so much serious. They want to be ready for being any type of mishappening. For this purpose, for this purpose, they just ordered their military or troop to spread in cities, as they can control any bad situation or any critical situations if there is created there by the common people, or people do not become agitated, right? To control the agitation of the people, what happened, the rulers just ordered the troop to spread in the city, as they can control any type of mishappening if happened there due to the subsistence crisis, right? Now the situation is very difficult, the situation is very critical, and now the time of the outbreak just started, about which incident just I discussed initial, that the people just gathered in Basle. This situation is just started, right? So the students now try to connect every incident just I taught in you few last videos and today's videos, right? You will see that each and every incident are just correlated and connected to each other, right? So the situation just come out when people was in tension, the full France was in turmoil. The rulers just ordered to troop to control the situation. Now at the same time, just what happened, agitated crowded stormed and destroyed the baselines and despotic symbols when the rulers just ordered the troop, and army and military was just spreaded in the city. When this was seen by the common people, it became very serious issue. The peoples were in tension, and at the same time there were so many misinterpretations just going on, means there were so many blaming just happening over the rulers. It was just spread the message in the society that now the manures means like subedars or like samant of the rulers, just going to destroy the crops of the farmers, just to it spreaded the message that they were just looted their resources, their agriculture product. That's why the peoples were so much in tension, and they spread in the city, and now looking for the different weapons. So the peoples attacked on the forts or any type of despotic symbols, means any offices or any buildings or palaces just belonging to rulers was attacked by the common people in searching of equipments, war related equipments. So dear students, agitated crowded stormed and destroyed Vasily and despotic symbols. Now peasants feared about the action of the manures. As I told you right now, now you will see the whole country was in mood of revolt. The incident happened on the 14th July 1789. The France was completely in danger, and it was such gathering and such attacking of the peoples, and attacking between the peoples and the army continued for few days. Lastly it was realized by the Louis XVI's rulers that in one side the common peoples are just attacking not in favorable manner, another side the educated or middle class peoples are just demanding for accepting the constitution and accepting the National Assembly. So it was realized by the rulers, now the situation cannot be controlled, and rulers or the ruling system has to accept whatever the demand of the demand of the third state members or representatives. And result, lastly just what happened, they accepted the National Assembly, right? Since it was realized by them the common peoples is not with them, so it may be possible if such few representatives of the third state will be come in their favor, the situation can be controlled. For this purpose, what happened, they accepted the National Assembly and accepted the constitution made by National Assembly. NA just for National Assembly. So now the rulers has to take any decisions or do anything as per the constitution designed by National Assembly. So now rulers cannot do anything whatever he just want, right? So National Assembly was accepted, and it was the first work done by the National Assembly, that different powers which was given to the clergies will be taken back, right? Different special privileges, facilities are taken back from the clergies and nobles, right? Whatever the thieves, a type of tax, as I discussed earlier, which was imposed by the clergy over the third estate, was completely abolished. Means the system of the thieves was abolished from the French society. So, dear students, at last of this outbreak of the revolution, I just want to say that it was the result of the struggle of the common peoples, or the liberals, or the liberalist nationalists, that there was the beginning of non-monarchical ruling or partial democratic system, with the acceptance of National Assembly, with the acceptance of constitution. So my dear students, in next video I will explain you what will happen after the accepting this constitution. So dear student, I think now you are just getting so much interest to study this chapter. So once again I will represent you in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. But don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.